What's up, everyone, and good morning. It's a beautiful, sunny Sunday morning here in Angeles City, Philippines. We're going to take a walk. Where we're going to take a walk? We're going to take a walk down here at the end of Santos Street. If you guys remember, I did a couple videos about this area here, about them basically shutting the area down. Last time I was down in here was maybe a few weeks ago, and a lot of people had moved out, and supposedly they are supposed to be out of this area. So we're going to stroll down here, see what it looks like, give you an update. I got Lut with me.
Hello.
See how sunny it is?
It's very hot today, so you need
to
drink a lot of water.
It seems like it just within the past couple days just started getting warm. Summer is coming. When summer start, Lut? March, April? March, April. Yeah. I walked by this place. That's looking good. Now open rooms starting at 1,300 pesos. Short stay for short time, 350 pesos. So they're still working on that, but hey, good morning. It's looking good. Good morning. All right, we have made it back. Looks like they got a concrete block wall up. We'll go back in here if we can get it. It looks like we can. Doesn't look like you have it completely blocked off. See, this here is okay, all this area. Yeah.
I think this is where I get the vegetables before.
Yeah. But this area here, it's good to go. It's one back in here that has been closed down. Doesn't look like you can go all the way back. We can get back so far.
Bawal pumasok when you lumabas. You said you're not allowed to go in?
Huh?
You're not allowed to go in?
Wow, what?
You're not allowed to go in.
Oh, I don't know. I can't. I don't read Tagalog. Morning, Kuya. Oh, it's done, huh? Closed up.
Closed na siya?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's already closed.
Everybody's out. Nobody's in, huh? Well.
Because this is like ice.
Let's call you what they're going to do. Like, what are they building back in there? They know?
They don't know.
Nobody knows.
They don't know what's the purpose of this place.
Yeah. So Kuya here says they have nobody knows what they're putting in here. He's just security. So you can see they're tearing it down slowly. He said everybody is out. Oh. As far as I can go? Oh. So they told me this is as far as I can go here. All right, we're just going to wander around back in some of these side streets here. See where we're at. That's one Euphoria right up there, I think.
Yeah.
Is it? Could be. We're just going to roam around in here. Hello. Got some puppies behind us. Hello. It's just your little typical community here. I can understand why they have it blocked off. Like I was saying, that area that they're doing all that reconstruction or that construction work in. I understand why they have it blocked off. They don't want squatters. They don't want people going back in there and squatting back in there. And
even them, they don't know what's the purpose of that one there.
Look at these roosters. Look at these rooster homes here.
However, you can't just go in there because it's already private property.
Right. It's private property now, so they won't let you back in there. This is where I picked up my air conditioner here. This is Savers. Morning, Kuya. This is Savers Warehouse right here. Yep. Yeah, I've been in there before.
You know a lot of places than I, huh?
Yeah, I know more areas around here than Lut.
Right? I live over here, but I don't know a lot of areas.
All right. Not only that too, but you figure back in there where they're doing that construction work and remodeling and re-renovating, somebody will come in there and steal the electric wiring out of there. They will. They'll take it, recycle it. So I can understand why they don't want people back in there. Somebody's burning something there.
Where does this go?
This brings us right back out on A Santos Street.
Oh.
I've walked back in here. You walked back in here, I think, with me one time. No? I just walk.
I told you the only place I goes down there is the one that when I show you that's where I get all the vegetables. And
Right.
the dealer.
Yeah, that's one Euphoria right there. That big building. These are probably apartments back in here. More than likely they are. Yeah, because there's a bunch of meters for the electric company.
Yeah,
You wonder what these apartments run.
I don't know.
There's multiple apartments back in there. I can see multiple doors. That's a nice house by itself.
Well, pretty.
Yeah, that just goes out to the street that we just came from. It loops around.
Oh,
What kind of flower is that?
I don't have idea.
What kind of plant is that?
Right?
Yeah. It's like, what kind of plant is that?
Hmm?
You don't know the plant?
No, I don't have idea.
Got a nice flower. If you guys know the plant, let me know. And there's the flower that's coming off of it. Pretty nice. Videoke Rentals. Those are birds. Right here. Got a bunch of birds in there. Parakeets.
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 Parrot. This one I know.
What?
Paku.
Pako.
Yeah, paku.
Pako.
You can eat that one.
Eat it.
Oh, you need to cook it.
Oh, all right. And straight ahead is a Santos.
The Santos Street.
The Santos Street. We just did kind of a loop. That's all we done. There it is. A Santos Street.
That is apartment down there.
Yeah. All right.
Vale. Dalamin naman din. Meron yan. Meron yan. Hey, boss. Same price, sir. The real one. Pork fast. Really? I show you. Jelly is the best.
All alright. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Morning.
Karo-karo?
Morning.
May 5 pesos.
Ba't dyan nyo dinala si ano? Diyan.
Ah, tara.